What? Who wants to eat
I woke up on my roof with my brothers. There's a whale in the pool with my mother. And my dad paints the house different colors. Where would we be if we couldn't dream? And I know we get a little crazy, and I know we get a little loud, and I know
the restroom over there.
we're free, we are more than you think, so call us freaks, but that's just the way we roll. You've got moves, I've got shoes, let's go dancing.
Evan, what's cold? Your feet? Take your...
This is the worst park ever.
We get a little crazy, and I know we get a little loud, and I know we're never gonna fake it.
Are you having fun again? You having fun?
That's just the way we roll.
Why that? It's wet.
That's just the way we roll. Oh, that's just the way we roll.
What you doing now?
Eating
What are you eating?
chicken.
What are you eating?
Chicken.
You guys eating chicken? Best thing about it.
We're cooking ice cream.
You didn't eat ice cream.
The best part is when we go out. The best part is when we drink. That sucks.
Looks like you are scared of the car wash. You were
I'm
scared
not
of, you were screaming like crazy.
I'm kidding.
Oh, you were kidding?
Yes.
You're not scared of the car wash?
No.
Stop it!
No. I am scared.
Oh.
No. I'm not scared. I was crying little.
You were crying a little?
Yes.
Okay.
Barely started. Hey, let's just go.
What?
And cut. That's